Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to another grand interesting video on your behavior channel, and in this today's video we are going to learn about process flow model. Okay, so we have already understood about creating a 3D model in Flexsim, then we understood about creating dashboards, and this is our third tutorial where we are going to understand or we are going to create a process flow model. Okay, so basically a model without object entities in the system. So do you remember the model which we created, the 3D model, where we had a service desk, we had happy customers, we had unhappy customers and stuff. But in that 3D model, if you could remember, we used the processors, queues, source, okay, to create that scenario and analyze the system. And I also hope that you have completed the assignments which I told you in the last tutorial, to create the graphs and stuff. Let me know in the comment section if you have done the assignments or you have any queries for doing that assignment. Okay, so in this today's video, we are going to create the same 3D model which we created, but not by using 3D elements, but by using a process flow. Okay, and it is going to be a far more fantastic, adventurous, I can say a tutorial tour. So join us in this video till the end of the video to understand everything about process flow in detail. Okay, so now we are going to go in the process flow and start creating the stuff. But before that, what I wanted to say you that it's going to be very fascinating, to understand how can the process flow make the same simulation model without using the 3D model entities or elements. Okay, so now let us go in the process flow. Okay, now we are going to start the stuff. We already have a process flow dedicated playlist already available on our YouTube channel. If you haven't watched that, I'll request you to watch that. We have a lot of videos on that explaining thorough about process flow in detail. And in this video, we are going to take you through the process flow, the maximum again in detail if it is possible. But I will request you to go and watch that playlist because we have it step by step. So now what we are going to do is we are going to go in the process flow and we are going to go and add a general process flow, and it will open as a separate tab. Here if you see, this is that. And what I can say is you will also be able to see that the process flow library is open here on the left side. When you click on the model, you get the model library. This is your process flow library. Okay, now what you're going to do is we are going to take a enter arrival source. We are going to here, so we need to drag. You just need to click a left mouse click, drag it and place it in the process flow. You're going to have that there. Okay, so here is our, what I can say, the enter arrival source. Then what we need is we are going to need acquire resource. So you can also double click here. You will have that library of the process flow and you can click on the acquire resource, and I'm bringing it and joining it out here. Okay, so you have source, you have acquire thing. Okay, if you could notice that the two activities have snapped together. Okay, snapped together. If you see, they're getting joined together. This means that you need to not create a connection between those. The token will directly flow from the top activity to the bottom activity. Okay, and if you want to break this, you can go in this scissor, and when you click on the scissor, the bond will be broken. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to use a delay from the basics, right? We're going to use a delay. So I'm just going to click on the delay and then click on the process flow. We have a delay in here. Now if you want to connect these, you can see this chain like structure. You need to have a left click there and you need to press that and then drag it to the delay. Okay, the next option is you can have that dragged in bottom, and then automatically the property window for the process flow library will be opening, and then you can select the delay from that. Okay, so these are the two ways I have told you. If you have any queries, let me know. Okay, so we have a delay in play. Okay, and from the chain, when it appears, you need to have a left mouse click it has to be pressed, and then you need to drag it and bring it to the bottom. Okay, this is how it works, creating connections in the process flow. Now, so we are connecting this to the delay, right? And then what we need to do is we need to create a release thing. So I'll double click and I'll get a release resource, which you might be getting in here in the task. We'll be getting in the shared assets, right? Acquire and release resource. So here it is. We are again creating a bond between the delay and this. So we have delay and release resource. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to keep a sink in here, right? Here is the sink. One of the sink we are going to drag in. If you zoom out, you're going to have this model shorter, right? And I'm double clicking, creating another sink in here, and here goes the sink. So we have two sinks in here, right? Now let us have a connection from acquire to the sink. And you could see here, you have this 2 and 1 here. You can also change the, the connection type here. You can change the ranks. You can change from where to where to connect from here as well. Or you can also create it from here. If you want to delete the connection, you just need to click on this and then hit a delete, from the keyboard. And then it is going to get deleted, right? So here it is all about creating connections. Now we have a sync, we have a delay, we have a release, we have a sync and all this stuff. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to learn about how to resize the activities and how to rename the activities, right? Because that is going to help us understand and others also to understand this process flow far more better. Okay, now let us do one thing. What we're going to do is we're going to rename this. When you click on this, you're going to get things here. You can rename directly by changing the names here, right? And you're going to also have the thing is that you can plus and see the properties of this source and stuff. Okay, so now let us start renaming the activities. Okay, so I'll double click on this source and I'll just add the thing ahead, that is customer arrival. Okay, and I'll strongly recommend you to create your simulation model with this video. Rather than just watching the video, what you do is parallelly open your Flexsim model aside, watch this video and parallelly create your model, okay, so that it will really give you a glimpse of understanding how it has to be created, and you will really understand what challenges you might face when you do this parallelly while watching this video on Be Aware. Okay, so now we are going to rename acquire as we are going to acquire get service, right? So I'm just changing this service, right? So here is my customer arrival and here is my get service. Okay, and the thing what I'll do is I'll go and change this as unhappy customers. And hello guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please guys do subscribe, do share our channel with your friends, so that we have a greater community. And if you haven't liked the video, please like it. And I see a lot of people just watch the video but they're not even responding to the comments, they're not putting the comments, they're not putting likes. Please guys, I'm taking a lot of efforts for you. Hit like, share and subscribe to our channel guys, because your support is definitely required for us to bring such fascinating contents, educational content just for you. So we have renamed this thing, okay, and you can click on this and resize this, okay, and based on the resizing, you are going to have your font visible. So resize in such a way that you are able to see the font very clearly, okay. Then we are going to go to the bottom area in the delay, and delay we are going to rename this as our service time. Okay, here is our service time. I hope you are going to like the video. Comment in the video whatever you like. You can also comment our name, like the video, share with your friends, teachers, colleagues, anyone guys, and then you're going to keep watching our videos, right? So now we are going to change the name here, end service, right? I hope you are doing this parallelly in the Flexsim simulation model, okay? and here we are going to have a happy customers. Okay, so here we have happy customers. Okay, the name is changed, so we are going to resize this, so that we are going to have a proper visualization. Okay, it looks decent. Okay, so now we have this. We are also supposed to change the properties of this, but as of now, just to wait in here. Okay, so we have changed the name of the entities now. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are basically going to have this what I can say, we are going to bring in the resource thing, okay, also here, because what we are going to acquire is we are going to acquire a resource. So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also brought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you are building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. we have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger and happy life. We have organ related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high level journey for our beawarechannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our beawarechannel.com website daily so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website beawarechannel.com. So see you in the next video.